Hey everybody, how you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing well. Today we're going to be driving my Tesla Model 3 using hardware 3 running FSD 12.6.4, and we got a pretty easy drive today just down these streets and around these outside areas of Toronto. So it shouldn't be that bad. So if you guys are new to the channel or looking to get a new or an older Tesla, or maybe subscribing to FSD, be sure to like and subscribe to the video because I post videos like this one literally every single day. So yeah, so far the car has been driving pretty well by itself, and just following the road smoothly behind this white minivan. It's centered pretty well, going just above the speed limit, but that's fine. We're just following the flow of traffic. As long as we're following the flow of traffic, we should be okay, because if we're going slow, everybody's going to want to overtake us, and it might create a little hazardous situation. So we're just going to let the car do its thing. I won't let it speed too much though. We're not about speeding on this channel. We're just going to demonstrate the capabilities of FSD. Obviously, it could go faster than, you know, most people would like. You could change it in the settings. Right now it's in standard mode with 40% speed offset. Standard mode, to my knowledge, only affects highway driving, and the speed offset affects all kinds of driving. So it's 40%, so we'll go 40% over as a maximum. So if you set that to 0, it'll, you know, stay the speed limit. And we're getting some rain actually, so you might see the auto wipers in action. I'm not too worried about light rain on our drives. With light rain, the car still performs very well. It's only in like heavy rain where it's crazy and it can tell you to take over because the camera can't see anything. We make it through this light. Even though this is a weird intersection, it still follows the lane and still stays in its correct lane path and stays to the right here. The auto wipers still have not engaged, but that's fine. I can still see clearly, and now the auto wipers are there. Ignore the bad wiping though. It's leaving smears and stuff because my wipers are pretty bad, and I still been needing to change it. My only issue is that the replacements that I bought can't really fit on this car, so I need to find some good replacements for this Tesla. So I just need to refund the wipers I got. But we are driving very smoothly, very comfortably. Also, today I've been hearing that version 14 Lite is going wide. So we might be getting version 14 Lite on our Tesla over here, guys, in Toronto, Canada. So if you guys are interested in seeing how version 14 Lite will perform to maybe help you with your decision with buying a Tesla, or maybe subscribing to FSD, or maybe even just you guys are just interested in self-driving technology and you guys don't even want to get a Tesla, you guys could subscribe and, you know, stay tuned for that, because version 14 Lite should be coming soon. I've been checking every single day. I still don't have it, but hopefully in the coming weeks, or maybe in this week, maybe we could get version 14 Lite on this car, and I can test it out. I'm really excited personally, because I want to see just how this crazy. This is crazy. Okay, we need to slow down. Yeah, that merge was pretty rough. I didn't think it was gonna perform like that. It's always that merge. If you guys have been watching the channel, you guys know that merge has always been a problem for us. It would merge too late. It would never really like do it safely. It's just such a quick, like, in my opinion, uncomfortable kind of merge for FSD. Hopefully in version 14 Lite it performs a lot better, but in that situation it was fine. We were just kind of following the flow of traffic, and yeah, coming up to a right turn soon, but there's some construction, so we're getting over to this middle lane here, and it's figuring out the lanes pretty well, even in construction zones. FSD, especially these older Teslas, are just still pretty good. They're pretty good at this, at figuring out which lane to be in. It's probably just following the car in front of us, so maybe if the car wasn't there, maybe you know, have a little bit of a tougher time, but it did it pretty well. and I'm pretty impressed. Now we're going to be getting over to this right lane. To make this right turn, FSD is figuring out if it could squeeze, and it can. That was a little too close, but it still made it. So now we're getting over to this crosswalk here, slowing down behind this Hyundai. Now we're going to be waiting to make this right. We can make a right now, but this car in front of us wants to go straight, so it's kind of screwing over the whole right turn lane here. But the second it turns an advance for the oncoming, we won't be able to make a right. But so we're going to have to wait a little bit. And yeah. Are you guys excited for version 14 Lite? Are you guys looking to get a Tesla? Comment down below. You know, I read all the comments, and I like all the energy you guys are showing on the videos. You guys are liking the videos. You guys are subscribing. You guys are commenting, and I appreciate everything you guys do. We are a new channel. We're only like 2 months old, and we're already at 440 subscribers, which is pretty awesome. I didn't expect this channel to, you know, grow that fast. I thought that nobody would really watch these videos, and it's kind of awesome to see a lot of you guys coming back every time and just enjoying the drives with me. So now we're going right, and hugs the turn there and did that pretty well. And yeah, I appreciate you guys. Thank you guys for all the support you guys are showing on the channel. Let's get this video to 50 likes. That would be pretty awesome. And yeah. So now we're going on this nice curve. There are sometimes cops here, so I would like to drop the speed just a little bit more, because you know, just a little bit safer. But it's like, you know, doing these curves very well. I love seeing it do curves, because it just feels so cool. Out of all the things I love watching FSD do, I think I love it when it does bends and curves and just following the road very perfectly. It just feels so cool. And again with the auto wipers, but my wipers suck, so it's kind of lame. But that's no fault at the Tesla. It's just I gotta get new wipers. The thing I've noticed with wipers in this is that the washer fluid in this car, I swear, uses more than any of my other cars. Like I be filling up this car with washer fluid quite often. I think it's mainly because my window gets so dirty all the time, or maybe I'm just maybe I just want a really clean windshield, so I use it way more than I should. But I don't know. I filled this car like 3 times, and I haven't even filled my other cars. Maybe because I drive this car a little bit more, but I don't know. That's something to keep in mind, I guess. If you guys own a Tesla, make sure to confirm what I'm saying. Do you guys use more washer fluid in a Tesla than compared to your other cars? I don't know. That's just my personal thing. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video, be sure to like and subscribe. I post videos like this one all the time. Check out the links in the description. It'll help support the channel. Check out some of the playlists. I make a long form playlist or shorts playlist. And yeah, comment down below what you guys think, where you guys think I should drive next, and whether or not you guys would consider getting a Tesla, an older Tesla, or subscribing to FSD in general. And whether or not you guys think this stuff is cool and you know, it'll help shape the future or something. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Comment down below, like the video, and see you guys. Peace. Stay safe.